Subscribe to my YouTube channel Lovely Mohua and hit the bell icon to see my latest videos first.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video is going to be quite different because I'm going to talk about which liner gives you the perfect wing according to me. Like, this might not works for you or to other people, but I'm just going to say what I feel about it or my opinion, like which liner works perfectly if you are making a wing liner. So let's just get started with the video. So first of all, I have two liners here with me. One is the Lakme Iconic Liner Pen Fine Tip, and this one is Urban Color Supermatte 16-hour Stay Eyeliner. So this one has a pen, kind of is quite sharp as it is in a pen form. This one, it is very sharp. I hope you can see it, like, but this is very sharp, but it is not in a pen form. It can be like, you can bend it, like you can bend it and you are getting so like thin, and if you want you can get thick line. But in this Lakme pen liner, I'm not talking about all the pen liner in the world. Like, maybe there are pen liners which are very sharp compared to this one. I have made a wing, like short wing. I don't know you can see or not. I made a short wing with this one. So I really faced a little bit of difficulty while drawing the winged eyeliner, because I feel that I have to stretch my eyes like that to get a perfect, or to get a sort of wing eyeliner. And if you're not stretching your like inner corners, you'll get like a very thick line here, and it won't be that much perfect for your wing. So you have to remove it and you have to reapply it to get a perfect sharp wing. It's not like this is the first pen I'm using. I have used Lotus pen eyeliner and Maybelline pen eyeliner and this pen eyeliner. I won't talk about all the pen eyeliners like which are available in the market, because I have not tried all of them. But whatever I have tried till now, I am not satisfied, and I feel that I'm wasted my money on them. Like, the pen is very, like, it's little thick, like it's not very sharp or very thin, so that I can make a nice wing. So it is little thick. If I have to even get a sort of wing, I have to stretch the eyes, or else it will give you a thick line. Maybe few people out there might not agree with me and say no, that pen eyeliner works very nicely. Maybe for you, but not for me. Actually I have tried a lot of time. Obviously I'm not going to invest my money on something which does not work for me. I have tried 3 kind of pen eyeliner, and then I decided to not buy it. And though I did not buy this one is my sister's, and I just applied it today to see if it works or not. But I faced the same problem what I faced on with the other pen eyeliners. So I believe that if you want to make a perfect wing eyeliner, then this kind of pen, like this kind of thick pen nib, will not work. You have to buy a pen liner which is very sharp. And what happened when I used the Maybelline one, that one was also good, like good in the sense that was not as thick as this one, but it was not coming properly. I had to shake it and it did not come out, and I feel that I wasted my money. And I won't recommend. If you are a beginner, if you are a person who draw wing liner like every day, for them they can manage with this, but I don't recommend it to those people who like to draw wings. I myself cannot recommend it to myself. I'm not talking about the Lakme one specifically. I'm talking about any kind of pen liner. But if any pen liner has sharp a sharp nib, then I won't say about that, because I've not used that particular thing. But I'm talking about what I've used till now, that Lotus one and the Maybelline one and this one as well. You should not go for this. You should go for normal brush eyeliner. But if you want a sharp kind of eyeliner, you can also go for this one. Like, I have showed you this one. Like, this one is also good. I have used it, and you can make wing easily it is not fully brush eyeliner. It has kind of like pen type of eyeliner, but not fully pen, not fully brush, in between. If you want perfectly apply it, you will get thick line, so you should, like, you have to pay attention while, you know, drawing perfect wings. And next option I have is this angled brush. Not this brush particularly, this one is little thick. I hope you can see or not, I don't know, like this one is little thick. I'm not recommending this particular brush, but I'm recommending those like a technique, real technique brushes, real technique triangle angle brush, real technique angle brush, or any kind of angle brush which is very thin and, you know, very like firm and thin angle brush. I would suggest that, because if you are going to draw eyeliner by using that kind of brush, it will give you the perfect wing. With angular brush you have to use gel eyeliner. I will suggest, if you are a beginner, you don't want to spend a lot of money, I'll suggest to use like those music flower eyeliner, because I don't know if it works for you or not. I used to think that those eyeliner, you know, is for 200 rupees, and we are getting two eyeliners, 2 gel eyeliners within 200 rupees or 250 rupees. One is in brown shade and another one is jet black. And I used to think that those eyeliners are not good, because they are not that expensive. They're very inexpensive, and I feel that it won't stay for long, it will be a bad and blah blah blah. But when I used it, I was totally amazed, like how smooth it is, and it stays for good amount of time, it doesn't smudge at all. You know, it's just so smooth to apply that you will be like amazed. I personally felt that in that way. I love that, and whenever I have to use gel eyeliner, I go for that music flower eyeliner, gel eyeliner. Angular brush comes with those eyeliners, you don't even have to buy it separately, and the angular brush really works, I've used it in many ways. Like, I have used it to fill my eyebrows, I've used it to draw eyeliners, I have used it in literally many ways. So you don't have to even buy angular brush separately. If you like to use a gel eyeliner, you should go for that eyeliner. I have no idea about other gel eyeliners. I have used the Maybelline one, and it is not that good, because it is little hard to apply. It is not very much smooth. So if you are beginner and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you should go for that, and you should go for an angular brush to get the sharp wing. And if you are beginner and you want to use liquid product, you should go for brush kind of product, and you can easily draw a wing. I'll suggest you guys to take a cello tape, like cut it and then apply it here, and then use angular brush and gel eyeliner and fill this area, like fill the area in a winged shape. Line your eyes nicely and make a wing, and then, you know, take out the cello tape and you will get the perfect wing. Like I use this method many times. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I shall see you super duper soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.